and welcome back to my channel where it's all about DIY, self-care, and fashion. And in this video we're doing something really fun and photogenic. I'm actually going to be recreating this Playboy Christmas photo right here. And yes, it's a tad little revealing, but you're not going to really be seeing much because I am going to have some boy shorts on. Honestly, I feel like photos like this can actually boost up your mood in a way, like your confidence. I really like doing pictures like this just because lately I've been feeling really unsexy, if that's even a word. I've been really feeling like down and, you know, insecure about certain things, and I just feel like I need to do something to really boost up my mood, boost up my confidence. And it's normal. I just want to let you know that it's normal to have moments where you feel insecure, ugly, you don't like certain things about your body, but you gotta get out of that. And a way to get out of that is to do things like dress up, do things you like, wear the things you like, embrace what you like and what makes you feel sexy, and there's nothing wrong with that. So no further ado, let's get into this video. You're on candy camera. This photo already, she had like a really basic look, which was like not too extra. Like the lip is pink, like my lip, I got like a really rosy tint. I do have blush on, my face is done. I really don't have too much makeup on, like eyeshadow, which I don't do anyways, but it's fairly plain Jane. And no, I didn't put in straight hair or how you say it, extensions or a wig, just because I want to feel sexy in my own wear. What I'm recreating here is just the look of it, the sweater. And honestly, I ordered the sweater from Amazon, but it came out orange. I ordered it on Amazon and I was hoping in my head, I'm like, please don't come out orange, please don't come out orange. And it came out orange. So I'm just gonna see if I can photo edit into a tint that is like a reddish color, because you can do that. But honestly, the reason why I didn't go with the whole look, just because I want to appreciate who I am. So I noticed that when I do put in hair extensions or I straighten out my hair, I tend to love that side of me, and I'm honestly natural, and there's nothing wrong with being natural, and there's nothing wrong with straightening my hair, but I want to accept me for who I am. And when I feel like I wear like certain things like straight hair, I often fantasize and wish that was my hair naturally. So I'm trying to love me for me, and this is my journey. So I'm not gonna go straight. I'm actually gonna love the little curls, the pin curls that I did in my hair. And your girl's gonna have, like I said, boy shorts under here, baby. And the way she's standing, you won't really even see it. And then you don't really see her breast, but yeah, I do not have a bow. I was supposed to be going out yesterday, but we're just gonna do an ornament, and it's gonna be a gold ornament. Still Christmas, still fun, so let's get it started. So I'm gonna be using my camera for this, and I have a remote, like one of those camera remotes, and it looks like this. And I got my ring light up, if you haven't noticed. And all that's needed now is for me to get dressed. So I'm about to get dressed. I'm a little bit afraid, but hey. My goal with this video is just to inspire mothers, I'm not trying to say all mothers, because I know I get a lot of crap sometimes when I do things like this that's very sexual in a way. So I don't know. To me, I just feel like I don't want to close in my doors just because I'm a mother. And sometimes being sexy is good. Like, I don't know, like Sierra's a mom, and you know, she got 3 kids, and she did her thing on Instagram the other day, and I don't see nothing wrong with that. I actually thought that was pretty cool. I'm like, damn, I wish I could do that. But I'm just saying, like, I'm happy when I see other moms are happy in their skin and happy, because having a baby doesn't mean it's the end of the world, it's the end of your living, nothing. So let's get this photo shoot started. I'm actually a little nervous, but let's get it started. recreation of that picture is done. I think I got some good pictures. I don't know. I guess I just overthink so much where I just feel like it's not going to be good enough. But I have to remember, I'm not trying to recreate it to the point I look like her, because I know I don't, because I don't have the same body type. I'm not, you know, I don't look like her. Okay, put it in the trash. But I can try to get the same pose, and I think I almost got it, or I got it. I'm not too sure. And I'm going to edit and post it on Instagram, hopefully just in time for lunch or whatever. Usually I like to post in the afternoon, but since this is a video, I want to get it out there for lunch so I can edit and get this video out here. So let's get to it. Please excuse my kid in the background. She is literally chasing my cat up and down the freaking house, literally, like, because honestly I let him out now. He's not really stuck in the bathroom anymore. Right, so when I got my cat, it was about 3 months old and he was very tiny. I didn't want him to really run around the house just because I didn't want him to get caught up in stuff. So since he knows where his home base is, or what they call it, camping base is, he pretty much stayed here. So you know, my closet, which he really don't go in there too much, my bathroom and my room. So he don't really be around the house like that. He'll go out a little bit, like he'll stop at that my Christmas tree and then he'll come back in. But let's get into this editing. I really need to find a picture I really like, and I need to do better with deleting the pictures I don't like. So like this one I definitely don't like. So this one I don't like. Don't like this one. No. I feel like I got good pictures. Why I feel like I just don't like none of them? I did. Okay, I was getting scared for a moment. I'm like, I didn't get any good pictures. Okay, so no, not that one. That one's alright. Like this one is, I like this one, so I'm gonna favorite it. That one's kind of cute too. This one I do love. I think it's really cute. I do this one, and then this one has potential. So I'm gonna go to Facetune. So when it comes to editing pictures, yes, we all do it, and no, it's not real life. It is what it is, you know. It is what it is. What I like to do is retouch it. Thank you. So what I like to do is retouch a photo by pushing auto, because it basically heals everything for you. Like, it's literally a photo editing for dummies, and I'm your dummy here. This is what it looks like, because my screen recording basically stopped recording because your girl needed to empty out her iPhone. I've been needing to do that for months now, and I just like, yeah, next time, and the next time come, and I'm just don't do it. So I like the way it came out. I just don't like the fact that you can see my little like blemish mark here, and I know you're gonna say it's realistic, but let's see. I'ma just keep it real with you. I'ma take it off. Whoop. Blemish? What blemish? I know. So I do know this is very natural, but hey, we're trying to get a look here, you know? So, and that's all, honestly, what it's all about. Even when you take pictures, you know, wedding pictures and whatever stuff like that, you don't think they take your blemish off your face? I'm just being honest. And what you're paying for? Like, what the hell are you paying for? I understand if they start adding like bigger hips than what you really have, and you know, smaller face and stuff like that, but they take the blemish off, they take the shine off and all that jazz. So it is what it is. But I can get it to look a little bit brighter. We're gonna contrast a little bit. Contrast, that means like that. I think it looks good like this. I'm gonna sharpen it a little bit, and we got a pretty picture. I'm actually gonna show you the unedited and the edit one side by side. I'm gonna crop it into a better look. The whole door thing didn't get it. Like, it didn't come in like I wanted to. So we're gonna save it. We're gonna go to monkey pick, and we're gonna... We're not going to grandma's house. We'll talk to grandma, okay? This is gonna be a lot longer than what I would have done. So I'm just gonna erase it where you can see the ball, like my ornament. So
No, you're not going in there. Put you okay? Break it off. You gotta help mom. Yeah, and I'm not gonna see you. Yeah.
Then I'm gonna erase it so you can see my hands. Oh my god.
Mommy. Mika. Oh. Mommy. Mommy, bye.
Huh?
Look at it out there.
So on here it says festive favorites. So I put festive favorites and I also put self-care as the new sexy. I'm gonna save this to my hub and I'm basically gonna probably upload it from my hub to my Instagram. I just can't have a quiet video. So it's saved and now I'm about to see. So now I'm about to download it from my hub on PicMonkey and I'm gonna upload it. So I'm about to post it. I put my caption already. I'm kind of nervous, but I always be nervous when I do this stuff, and I just learned to suck it up and just push that OK button, and there's nothing you can do about it. You can delete it, but just push it. That's all you have to do. You push the buttons and you just forget the rest. So I'm just about to push the OK button, and I'm just kind of curious of what feedback I'm gonna get. So I posted it and I can't wait to see what the feedback I'm gonna get back. But this is the end of my video. I actually need to start working on other things so I can get my kids, because it's actually early release today, and so I gotta get my kids. Yes, Artemis, I gotta get the girls. Yes. So if you like this video, please put it in the comments down below, and if you want more, also give it a thumbs up. I hope you guys like this type of video, just because it's, you know, it's different, and it also helps with self-confidence and mood boosters, because, you know, it just help I feel like this type of stuff help other women get comfortable in their skin and want to do stuff just because, you know, they see someone like them doing something. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and have a safe weekend. Bye.